Good morning. Let's get the music on. Got a lot to talk about today, that's for sure. Oh, I see this is being done too. I'll be trading Eval today. I don't know why. Don't know why I didn't save my preview image, so I'm going to go in real quick. Always something. Geez, OBS created 3 live streams on this. How's everyone's day going so far? Okay, I'll be trading that Select Eval. I didn't get any trades in this morning. Just kind of ran this morning. Never really pulled back. I wanted to get in here. Didn't really come back. I thought this was going to come back in here. This is the news. Didn't really do anything, give any real direction. Then I just grinded up to my target here. And as you can see, it just chopped here. I'll show you what I was looking at on the 15. I saw it come back into this fair value gap here. Candle 1, then candle 3 never really give anything. Candle 4 just stalled here too. As you see, there's a lot of resistance. No pullback on the 15 until here, until it hit my target here. Silver. Can't believe we called this the whole way, all the way to the top. I had to fix this because this is the wrong gold contract. I'll need to open up another gold contract here. I actually have it right here. There we go. What's up, Will? How's it going? Congrats on passing that breakout account. Nice work. I wake up and have like 6 messages from you. I was like, hope it wasn't anything serious, and then I'm like, all right, celebration. So what am I looking at for here? Really, it's all this chop, right? Let's go to 4 hour. Got the previous day high up here. Maybe it wants to go for. Yeah, who knows? There's no real pullback, right? It's going to make this big order block. If we close above 826.75, that gives us some large targets on the 4 hour daily. Let me know how the music is for you guys. It seems alright in my headphones, but sometimes it's super low when I take my headphones off. It's a slow grind, right? Bitcoin in the 4 hour. Did it close above that? It did. If we can get through this fair value gap, it'd be great, right? Well, if you're long. That brings us back up to there. 3 right in the middle of that fair value gap. $91 would probably mean we're going to go higher. A lot of people are looking for this 84 here. Well, no need to apologize. The excitement, I get it. Spam the group when you win like that for sure. See if that's going to flip this SR here. Oh, we just started the 15 minutes already cooking. Lunchtime action. It's evals for sure. Kind of want to see this pull back more before I jump in. What do we have for upside targets here? We've got the previous day high. Where I think it's going if we really want to move. Inverting this 1 hour fair value gap. Yeah, well, those selects are kind of expensive, so I'd definitely wait till you're less busy because it's not a one-time fee; it's a monthly. Okay, it's a pullback here. Saw somebody on the at the dumpster diving for the copper wires. I was like, smart man. Someone tossed an entire electrical panel that was still wired, and he was just cutting them out. Did have something weird happen with one of my Tradeify accounts. They said I breached one of my funded accounts. Said I hit the trailing drawdown, which I never came close to, and it's copy traded with all the other ones. So I have an email ticket out with them. And this one was close to payout, $75 away. Hopefully they can fix it. If not, that'd be like 4K of loss by prop firms screwing me in the last month with funding ticks. Yeah, funding ticks going out of business, and then this Tradeify issue. It's a few $100s away from a payout with funding ticks, and then they close shop. I did go back and look at my stats of that Tradeify account and see largest drawdown I had on it was $900. I've had that account for a very long time. So it was weird when it was missing from my account this morning. Log into Ninja Trader, and it wasn't there. I'm like, where'd it go? I hate when it makes the tail on the first 1 minute. Everything's so extended. Imagine you catch it that long at 1:30 in the morning. Yeah, that's a super slow move right there. Took a long time to get there. Especially for that time of day. Indicator printed a bearish, well, a swing high. Where do y'all think Bitcoin's going? I should believe this up, because if this is an actual order block, right? It looks pretty damn good to me, right? Swept, closed above. If this daily can close above, we might be making a swing low here. Also close within. No matter what, we have to get through this very thick multi-time frame fair value gap. And I'm sure it's random that it bounced off the second deviation of that order block there, right? Then the monthly's looking pretty good. But you guys don't listen to me on Bitcoin. I'm a perma bull. That's why I don't trade it. But it's looking damn good to me. Pump through that. Willa says break 78.5 and then go to, or wait, 79.5. So yeah, break that. Is there a VWAP there, Willa? Is that what you're looking at? No, my VWAP. My VWAP's broken. Yeah, I think this is the first real test. I think I was showing this to someone in the group earlier. Right, this little pop out happens all the time in the lower time frames. So we got an AMD accumulation, the little pop. This isn't the manipulation. This is pre-manipulation. This is the manipulation down here. And it did bounce off too. So then if we get real bullish, we take this as the whole, take that as the whole order block. Like a 165. Just take that by the order block, we go to a new all-time high. Again, I'm a perma bull on Bitcoin, so see how good that AMD looks. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. like how you're adding that extra layer of confirmation willow with the swing lows. Or just the swings in general. How's it working for you? It seems to be working pretty good from what I'm seeing. And surprised we're still chopping on NQ. See, I was making this nice swing low here, a nice swing low here. That'd be nice for me. She's getting punchy. Anybody who regularly trades the PM on NQ, have you found any days that have been worth trading? I know Brian Stonks plays the afternoons and he's a master at it, but man. You get a lot of this action a lot. I just feel like since it hasn't broken through here with any force, it wants to come down. But at the same time, I don't think it wants to come down. So chop. Does that look like on full 15? Looks like a mess, right? Think it's really going to come through back through all this? Four hours still super bullish. Broke. Reject. Might get your 79.5 Willow. See that 50-minute close within that fair value gap, you might get some action up. 1, 2, 3 though. Did you all see that JP Morgan might be being investigated for silver manipulation? I know how upstanding JP Morgan is. The chosen bank of Mr. Epstein. Come on, price action. Do something. How big is this chop range? I'm gonna buy a cheap Eval and just degen some chop ranges when it's like this for you guys. Sometimes lunch likes to run. It ran pre-lunch and now it's chopping. Yeah, I don't have the 15-second on my TradingView account. I could upgrade. Wait, did I upgrade? Don't think I did not upgrade. Nope. I'd just jump on NinjaTrader if that was the case, I guess. And trade the 15-second. It's free on NinjaTrader. Oh, let's go to Twitter for a second while we watch this chop. I want to show you something. It's kind of funny. This was 8 years ago on my Facebook timeline. Is it something's never changed, right? They're always telling you to sell the bottom and buy the top. I don't even know how much Ripple is right now. $1.65-ish. Shoot, now I can't remember what chart I was on. Oh, this one's good enough. So guys, remember, sell your Ripple at 71 cents and buy it. Yeah, sell it 71 cents and sell it. I can't even say it. It's so wrong. Okay, here we go. Let's break this. Punched up once. I just don't feel like it wants to run. Anyone here in a trade right now? On anything? Yeah, silver's gonna make a round trip. I told my silver guy after I sold it to him that I'll be back to buy it. Come back to buy it back. How low do I want it to go first, though? My average buy on that silver was like $15 maybe. That's some at like 12 and then 18. I think you have to hold it for like a million years for it to do this, what it just did now. I'm almost ready to take chat suggestions on which way to send this, but I'm pretty close to passing this. I only need like $600 more on this eval. Crap, just got a message from Coinbase saying the market's up. Get ready for the dump. I guess what's worse, taking a screenshot of your trade or getting a notification from Coinbase. Yeah, see, it didn't want to run here. It doesn't want to run here. It just wants to hang out. New 5-minute candle. 5-minute candle's cupping a little bit, but weak. This is where the discipline comes in. Don't FOMO this up here. Pretty gross action. Half an hour chop going on 45 minutes of chop. Tradeify support is really lacking. They need to step up their game. I sent in my ticket 3 hours ago. Oh, copper did get nuts last week, huh? That was a new day opening gap. New week opening gap too, huh? Oh, it is all-time high. The bulls have had plenty of opportunities to start sending this, and they haven't. Well, we did get the Coinbase pullback. Dropped a few $100s. That's just coincidence, though. Like I said, the bulls have had plenty of time. Plenty of time. But do I do a short? Not really. We'll see how this one closes in 3 minutes or so. If it closes back within this candle here. This is the 15-minute time frame here. And this is the one. If it closes back within here, maybe it'll be bearish. Something like that. Is that a fair value gap or is that junk? Is that junk? Oh crap. Willow just said Fartcoin is heading to test the opening range break low. Bearish. And as people on the stream know, Fartcoin tells us the entire crypto market. It's the pressure valve. Okay, so far shaping up the way I kind of want to see this for a bearish move down. Gonna have this sweep close below. Oh God, Willie, you're gonna make me add Fartcoin to my list. Is it blue? It's red, right? Red. Fartcoin's up almost 5% today. Okay. Trade up. More than that. Or would be a target all the way down here. That would be a long target. That would have been a far target. This isn't even that much. This is 10 freaking points. What the hell? Look at this entire range here. $177 ticks, 40 points. That explains a lot. Well, while we wait for that to form, let's go check out Fartcoin. It's the way crypto blows. So it's testing the opening range. Opening. Right here. Yep. That looks bearish. And to put this 50 into perspective, look how weak and exhausted it's gotten up here. That's why I always talk about discipline and just waiting for confirmation. Don't FOMO. I've gone to the point where it's so hard for me even to YOLO these evals. I've been taking my time with them so bad. Well, is mainstream media saying to buy right now? I haven't even checked. I thought Kramer was getting bearish. He's like, I don't know why the bulls didn't hold 85 or 80. I'm like, well, because support is 74. And for those of you new, these lines have been up here a very long time. You'll see I have... Okay, this is the right one. This is my do not delete anything chart. We almost called the top from here. From December 24, we almost called the exact top of Bitcoin. Here we did call the top, and that was August 25. And that's where these lines are coming from over here, right? These are the support levels that we've had for over a year. As I was saying earlier, though, this is looking like a swing low, especially on the monthly. I'm not calling bottom or anything, but there's definitely a reversal area. Came close to the 73,659. And to be clear, I didn't call the top either. I thought the top was a little bit higher. I thought it was going to go to 128 and maybe blow off. When it holds this 2 of the deviation of the order block, it's a pretty good sign that it's flipping. If it starts breaking, we can definitely look for 4, which is that 50,000 area. Sometimes I have a 3 on my personal one. This is the indicator that runs this one. I have a 3, and I've seen it react off the 3 a lot, so like right about here. See, nothing wants to run. This would have been a good reversal here, right? Close back within the previous 15-minute candle. Holding the 50% mark, the EQ of it. Might pop here, but roughly holding it. You'd expect more down, but it just wants to stay in this range. Just playing games. Practice your patience, your whatever you do not FOMO into stuff. Me, it's normally get up and walk out of the office, but I'm streaming. So what I've done is when I feel a FOMO to do something kind of stupid, that's why you'll see me go, oh, let's go talk about Bitcoin or silver. So you just distract yourself with something different so you don't press the buttons. It's kind of like how you train a dog. Train yourself like a dog. Your dog's starting to do something bad, you wiggle a toy in front of its face and distract it, and it goes and does something different other than that destructive behavior. Looks like it's going to take out that top now, so That will invalidate that candle 2 if it takes off that top. Which it looks like it wants to do. I am slowly working on a video explaining my model, which is the T-Trades fractal model. I know a lot of people have been asking for it, but I mean, T-Trades made 1 billion better videos than I could ever make. But I'll add my little sauce to it as well. Did I accidentally delete my moving averages? Or did I just turn them off? I'll just turn them off. I don't need them, but I like to look at them every so often. It's kind of like the VWAP. A little ways away from the VWAP on the NQ, huh? Like 300 points. Who here plays the VWAP? What happens when we're 300 points away from it? Will, can you send me what indicator you use to get the VWAP deviations? No rush. Whenever you have time, I just want to look at it when I'm off stream and. New hourly coming up. I don't think we've had any pullbacks in the hourly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours of straight up. I guess if you call it straight. Thanks, Will. Appreciate it. It's kind of like when people tell me to pull divvies. I meant pull fibbies. I'm like, I know where the fibs are. That's you can just see them. Usually right about where a fair value gap is. Let's see. Shocking, right? Right on the Where's that? 786. Oh, right in that fair value gap. Wow. Doesn't happen all the time, but happens a lot. Not only did that 786 land on that fair value gap, it landed on the EQ of this 15-minute candle. Right, so that's like the interesting stuff about it. These fair value gaps tell a lot. And not just on the 1 minute, the same thing happens on the 15-minute and whatnot. Let's see if I can find an example. Well, I don't know the top of this one, right? But where's the 786 land? If this was the top, right on that fair value gap right there. Right. Yeah, well, that's what I think. Yeah, it just ends up with the where my levels are anyways. When I was first starting out, I had the hardest time knowing even where to pull the fibs from. It's like this swing low or this swing low. Which swing low? And then people just never really had a good answer for me. I asked people that use fibs all the time, and they kind of just didn't have a good enough answer that I could understand. And they crush it with the fibs, so whatever works for you, use it. For me, it's fair value gaps and order blocks. That's what I can see. Those of you joining, don't be shy. Go ahead and say hi in the comments. We're a friendly bunch. We're just chilling. Nothing to sell you at all. No courses, no affiliates. Just charting my journey. I use the fractal model. And on evals, I'll trade this chop, which I'm in an eval right now. It's like hindsight trading was it today. This would have been the move we would have caught. But look, I was just grinding, right? Being gross. Look at that 15 and the 1030 15. Okay, new arrow is opened, right? Yeah, it's been open for 3 minutes. Going on 4. day trading, more like day waiting. But I'll be here all night. Man, so exhausted. It's so exhausted. I feel like it wants to come back down for this fair value gap at some point. It's like Trump speaking or something today. That's what it's kind of feeling like. Let me go and do a little search. Nothing on the calendar. I don't see anything on the news either about him speaking. Nothing on the White House page. This just reminds me of the summer action. Like it would run in the morning and then just die like 11:30. Did that a lot last year. I know one thing's for sure, I'm ready for summer. I don't care if price action is shit this summer. I just don't want it to be winter anymore. And Tradeify support has still not gotten back to me. I think we're going on 4 hours. Yes. Imagine all those people that were bidding on silver on eBay last Thursday Like, they're up here bidding at like 116. And the auction doesn't end till like, I don't know, tomorrow, say. Oh my god. Does eBay have an eject button? Like, I didn't mean it. One of these days, I'm gonna get on, and the price action won't be chopped. One day we can all dream of clean price action. See, I was looking short here after that swept, and that made a candle too, and then it got invalidated with this. So I missed this long here. I thought I would have jumped into this junk though. Talking 15 points. Like the range isn't even big enough to friggin' play. Look how tiny these 1 minute candles are getting. I'm expecting a reversal here because the bulls have just not stepped in. But I guess either of the bears, really. Twenty-six tick candles on the 1 minute. Let's see what this next 15 minute gives us. Oh, let's just go with this one here. Right on cue. There's the bear stepping in. Now, is this going to be a candle too? Be a weird candle 3 though. Ah. Well, it said there's a bid is leaving the supply zone up to 79K. Do have this fair value gap here. It's reacting off it again. It just doesn't want to punch it. This does look like it wants to. The 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 candle would be the one that comes down, though. Would be the expansion candle. Ain't nothing. Can't trade SIL on Tradeify, unfortunately, or we would have made massive bank. And it's a little bit past my risk tolerance to do it on my self-funded. There's that dump. But I bet it was just like a friggin' 50 tick. $30 tick, yeah. Look at that. That 36 tick candle looks gigantic. Oops, lost my chart. Where's my chart? There we go. Yep, well, Fartcoin told us. Leading the way in crypto. Oh, we're getting a dump now. Retrace and I'll get back in. I'll get in on it. We're still in the range though. This is crazy. Going on in 1 hour of this range. Tiny range. There go, broke out of it. That's just a sweep though. Excuse me. Take a look at what this fair value gap does when it gets to it, if it gets to it. Called the move down, but didn't get in it. Didn't like it. Still don't like it. Just ranging. It's clearing out all the light shorts. Right off that little area. It's good support within there, apparently. Expansion met with expansion. I think it's gonna go right through this. Maybe. See how heavy this fair value gap is. Right off that order block. Basically, wicked it. This is going to be a tough no trade day for me. I was trying to get in back here. Never came back for me. And after this, it was just getting to levels and chopping. Got the levels and chopped. That chop, chop, chop. So now I'm picking up the crumbs with this chop. It's never good to be picking up crumbs. We have small candles on the one. We're talking about, oh man, 20 tick candles here and there. $13 tick there. This one's a little bit bigger. About 30 ticks. Definition of crumbs. Do I want to size up? Not really. Not with this chop action. Girls just messaged the group. Yeah, talking about how my funded account just kind of disappeared this morning, saying that I breached it when I clearly didn't. It's a risk you take with these props, though. All of them. That's why it's super important to take those props, the profits, and start your own self-funded, even if it's tiny. Say prop profits 5 times fast. I'll never be able to do it. And it's almost never a good idea to go live with a prop. Unless there's some really good incentives. Because most props, you're trading your own profits that you made with that prop. And then they take 10%, 20% of it. You don't get the tax benefits of being a trader because you're still an analyst, which gets taxed differently. So you're talking 30, 40% gone from your live account. Quote unquote live, because you can't touch the money. Needs to be the next thing the prop industry fixes. Because when you trade with an actual prop firm, like a real one, you trade with their money. these casino props. You trade with your own sim fund money. And then this take it. Smart for them. They have zero risk at that point, right? Come on, let's move this down. I might jump in. Maybe not. I don't like this structure at all. It's like not even enough to scalp. I was going to scalp it down to here. It's 40 fucking ticks. Jesus Christ. Okay, guys, I'm going to call it here. Really appreciate you guys hanging out. I'm tired of this chop. I don't want to get FOMO'd into a trade. I have an 8, but if you're new, like and subscribe. We just have fun, nothing to sell you. And I will see you tomorrow. Appreciate it. Peace.